Hello guys! Today we're cooking lentil soup in a little bit different way from what we usually cook, because I'm gonna be adding garlic and ginger powder. I already sliced the half of a big onion. Yes, I added the garlic as well. Now I'm stirring. Remember that there is no a certain way to cook things. It's like art. Just cook your favorite dish the way you wish to do so, okay? I also added 1 spoon of tomato paste and then the lentils, a glass of lentils. Did I say the amount of the garlic? 2 clovers. One was big and the other was mid-size. And now I'm gonna be adding the water. 5 glasses of water. Yes, I added the water and turned up the heat. Now I'm stirring and waiting. As you can see, it's boiling, so I turned down the heat. You can add salt, black pepper, ginger powder whenever you want to. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and some black pepper. I just checked the fridge. There aren't any lemons in the fridge, so I'm not gonna be able to add some lemon juice. But I suggest you use some lemon juice. Lemon juice and lentil soup is like 2 lovers. Lemon juice goes very well with lentil soup, so I suggest you add some lemon juice if you have some lemons. I'm gonna be cutting parsley right now to add it to lentil soup when it's ready. It's optional. If you don't like parsley, like me, you might not add it. The only reason why I'm gonna do it is because I just want to improve my health. I mean, I'm sick right now. I just wanna. This is a sick soup. Yeah, some sort of soup that you might cook when you're sick. Anyways, maybe I should title the video like this. Anyways, I'm not gonna be able to record while I'm cutting the parsley because I need my both hands. So alright, my soup is ready right now, and I'm gonna add the parsley and some dried mints. Don't forget to add your lemon juice and some dried mints, okay? If you have fresh mints, that's better. Use fresh mints. Yeah, it's ready. I'd like to show you my dried mints. Yeah, I use this. My vitamin power. It's ready. Let's eat it. Okay, right now I'm gonna taste this lentil soup. I put a little plate underneath so that it couldn't burn the tablecloth. So here we go. Yummy. So delicious. Okay, so for closure, this was a little experience. Well, this was the first time I cooked lentil soup in this way, you know, adding parsley, ginger powder, garlic, and I liked it. So I suggest you cook it as well. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.